Got an idler pulley bearing. I re-greased it recently, but we're going to replace it with a new one. Got no clue where. There it is. Got this brand new $38 Japanese NSK bearing. So I'm going to take this apart. Get this right. Probably bigger. It's too loose. It's good. 17 milli. I actually rigged this. I had the bolt was casted in there, but it busted off, so the way I got it set up, I'll flip it and take this side off. Yeah, still wants to put up a fight. Longest bolt in the world, holy shit. See if we get that washer off with the bolt. Well, I guess, no. This thing's hot. But yeah, I've re-greased this bearing, and it's this bearing, I've re-greased it and it lasted about a year and a half, and instead of re-greasing it again, do brand new bearing. So with that, we'll take like this particular one's a 1 1.5 socket, and it's not perfect dead ass on that race, but it's close enough to where this will work. Pull this off, set it to the side, take these guys off, and then we'll take it and tighten it. Probably easier. Let's see here. Zoom out. Nah, it's not good enough. Maybe I can hold it in my chin. Well, I got it in here and I tightened it, and now the bearing's flush with the outside of the pulley, so I will undo it and kind of close this. Basically trying to make it where I could hammer it out the rest of the way. That looks good. It's really hard with one hand, but that's how we'll get it out completely. It's like I need to hold it and then hammer it. That might work. Well, that was unexpected, but whatever. Out with the old and in with the new. There we go. Put the new bearing in. Oh. So what I'm going to do is, I'm sure this phone will be able to see it very well, but I'm going to get with the bearing, and that's not a good idea. I still need to use the socket, so I don't want to mar it up. No. Shit. Okay, we will press it in like this, because that socket just not wanting to line up very well, but this should get it. There we go. And it goes. Until it's flush. Back it off. And then you kind of got this. So then we can push it in the rest of the way with the socket. There we go. I'm trying to just pay attention to the actual bearing. Not sure. Let's see what it looks like. Yeah, we went in too far, just a little bit. But we can push it right back out on the other side. Huh. I think that's it. That's as centered as I could get it. And just like that, we replace the bearing. These are like $36 off the Amazon. And they are real hard to see. $30 BD 40 DU, so it's 30 B as in Bravo, D as in, hold on, you know, it's actually probably on the box somewhere. Yeah, 30 BD 40 T12 blah 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 blah. Basically you just want 30 BD 40 T and you're good to go. That's it.